Right, welcome back to the channel, and you can hear that noise in the background. The pump just switched on its own. It's on a timer. It kicks off at 11 o'clock every day. Someone messaged me about this. I'll put a link below or up the top or below from my other video, the main video, on this nozzle. I made this video, designed it myself. It's now printed in PETG, which is a bit hardier than PLA. I used PLA initially for some trial ones. This is now working brilliantly. So for your money, I'll put this on my Etsy store. Hopefully you can see this. There you go. Now this is for the Intex SX 3200, but it will also fit, it should fit, all the Intex big pumps, all the sand filter pumps. So there you go, it's printed in PETG, it's nice and safe and solid. It should be resistant to water and sunlight for many years to come. So you get the threaded adapter there, and you get this nozzle here, which is right angled nozzle. You can aim it any way you want. As again, I'll link to the other video. That simply screws onto there. And I'll show you the type of thing it fits. I'll just grab it now, if I can. Take it off while the pump's running. So there's the one that you get with the pump, but this nozzle is good for nothing really, that nozzle. It just shoots the bugs and debris into the middle of the pool. So what I've done, I will slightly redesign this. I've just remembered now. The one you receive in the post won't be round on the end, it'll be square, just so you can grip it a little bit easier. What it does, if you look inside there, you've got the 4 little spigots, and that will slot into there, like so. Turn, and it'll just push in like that. You get your nozzle. I will be designing and drawing up some more of these nozzles. This is just standard right angled nozzle at the moment, almost right angle anyway. That then sits on there. You tighten that up. So I'm going to make that square on the next design. The one you buy on Etsy will be the square one, so you can grip it a little bit easier. I'll put some sort of mold grips or spanner on it or something. But you can put your finger inside, give it a tighten, and I'll show you now, if we screw that on, I'll show you how much better that is than the standard nozzle. So the standard nozzle we get supplied just shoots straight forward. If you saw that one there, it's not much cock to be fair. Watch this is brilliant, much better. So we'll put that, whoa, I can't even, sort of struggling to, right, I'm going to have to turn the pump off first. Right, there we go, so put that on like so. There we go. And then you can just aim that where you want, but just aim it around like that, and you'll watch the difference. I'll turn the pump back on. Look at that. Straight away you can see how much better that is. You can even aim it slightly up if you want to aerate it. Or you can aim it down the bottom. I'll try and make some different adapters of this, different sizes, but for now you'll get that adapter and this 90 degree, or well, it's just shy of 90 actually. And you'll see that shoots around the pole there. I've got the cover on at the moment, but you'll see that there, and that will go into the skimmer. Obviously with the cover not on, I've just took the cover temporarily, but if you watch my other video you'll see what I mean. This will be available on my Etsy channel, and I will ship this all over the world, I think. Especially America, where a lot of people have these pools. And then basically it pushes your bugs into your skimmer. I just wanted to mention as well, the skimmer. I've taken the basket out, but these came from Temu, the socks, but I will put a link to Amazon where you can buy these socks. They're basket socks, so I'll show you what they do. You get your skimmer there, it sucks all the bugs down, okay? Look at that whirlpool, it's like a whirlpool, look, sucking it down. So you take your basket out, alright? You buy these bag of socks, and it fits on this lovely, so you just put a sock in there like so. Alright. It's elasticated, just put that round like that. It's like a filter, far better than the actual basket. Stops every single little bug and fly, all the minute little grubs and bugs you might get in your pool. Stops it getting any further. So I'll put that back in now. Take the lid off. Put that in. bit awkward doing it one-handed, but trying to do it one-handed. Should really turn the pump off. Oh, right, let's turn the camera off on it, get 2 hands in and do it properly. Right, I've had to turn the pump off, use 2 hands to get it in there properly, because my one, what it does, it sits and turns, but you see the stock floating up in the air, it should eventually suck it down. There you go. Any bugs and flies now won't get through that, they'll get stuck on that fine mesh filter. You can see that sucking down lovely now. I can vary the strength of this bolt and the other inlet, on the other outlet, sorry. So I've still got the other outlet connected up. But they're both switched on. This is switched on. The valve is open on this and the valve is open on the other inlet, outlet, sorry, whatever you want to call it. They're sucking down nicely now. Look, I'll leave that running. Put the lid on. Great little addition. There is the nozzle merrily pumping water around the outside edge of the pool. I might even take the cover off actually while I'm here. Get a bit of a freshen up and sort the water out today. I'll do that now, I think. Alright, that's the cover off. There you go, look at that water shooting around there now. So much better. And as I say, this adapter and nozzle was printed in PETG, which is a lot stronger. It lasts a lot longer in the water, so it should last forever really. And it's all right in the heat as well. Look at that. You can angle that any way you want, down, up, in the air. Obviously a bigger pool. It's actual fact that it's so pumping around so quick, not everything goes down on skimmer because it's going so fast. I can adjust it. Look at that though, that's how it should be. You can see it skip coming around. I think I actually need to adjust the flow, to be fair. That's what you want. I'll put the link below to the Etsy store and then see what you think. Right, thank you for watching those couple of videos. That's the skimmer and the sock, the adapters that I printed out 3D printed, which will be available on my Etsy store very soon. That's as I printed in PETG, and that's the cover. The cover's not too bad, it sits on there quite nicely. Look, that's in the other video. But then I can zip up later on. Perfect. Again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for many more videos. I'll see you again soon. Please support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything to like and subscribe. Bye bye.